Time is money. The goal is to reduce the time it takes to get work done. That's where money is made. The productivity at most businesses is done at a computer. That's where the time is spent. So why do businesses delay upgrading their computers even though the speed of the organization depends on it? Oftentimes, they don't know the age of their machines or the struggle their users are having with them. If your IT provider does not provide a consistent inventory report of all hardware at your organization, age, warranty status, and a replacement timeline, you are missing out on valuable insights that are slowing your business down. Time is money, so give your people and your business more of it. Technology ages in dog years. If your employee is on a computer more than 5 years old, that equates to real dollars lost every day as they wait for their computer to keep up. Reach out today and we'll review your hardware, provide recommendations based on user and use case, and create a 5-year replacement plan to keep your business always up to speed.